Hi, I'm Helen from the Royal Astronomical Society, and we're here with Glenn Orton, who's coordinated the whole ground-based project for Juno. So can you tell me a bit about that, Glenn?
Yes, it was clear from the beginning of the mission that we wanted to involve a number of other facilities on the Earth, spacecraft and ground-based facilities to enhance and enlarge the science output from the Juno mission. Juno has very specific spaces that we look in, specific times, and there are certain spectral regions that they look at and not others. And so we're trying to use all the facilities we have from the Earth to expand in each of those regions and to help Juno understand the data that's coming in.
So has a lot of this been from amateur astronomers?
A number of this is from amateur astronomers. The amateurs have, in fact, given us the most continuous measurements of activity in the planet that we have. Professional observers can ask for specific times and dates, and we're not spread out around the world quite as much as the amateurs are. And in fact, specific events that break forth rather suddenly, the amateurs are the only people who can understand that rather quickly.
So you really couldn't do it at all without this huge success that you've had coordinating the amateur and professional astronomers.
No, that's right, and the amateurs have a great role as well in early on in the mission in predicting what we want to turn the Juno camera to. We have a choice at a limited number of frames that we could send down, and so we thought, what's most interesting? And so they gave us a good indication about what to expect.
Yeah. So it's been a huge success. Do you think that this will mean in future missions, amateur astronomers will be a vital part in the future?
I would think so. Anything at Jupiter certainly is going to be there as you get further out in the solar system, and I certainly hope we have missions going out there. That may be more difficult, but the amateurs have shown us that they're getting increasingly confident about getting information about Saturn, like the Great Saturn Storm, as well as Uranus and Neptune as their competency gets further out. And we hope to get out there soon too.
It's going to be a very exciting future, isn't it? Thank you very much, Glenn. It's been a pleasure. I'm Helen from the Royal Astronomical Society, and we'll see you in the next video.